One data item that is needed for your analysis is customer age. Ages are best calculated in Visual Analytics because you can use operators to ensure that they are updated each time a report is opened. To calculate customer age, you can use the expression shown here. The now operator creates a date-time value. It uses the current date and time, where the current date and time is evaluated every time you view the report. The date part operator then converts that date-time value to a date value. The tree as operator enables a numeric or date-time value to be used as a different data type for the operation. In this case, the dates are treated as numbers for the expression. The numeric value of a date represents the number of days since January 1st, 1960. When both dates are converted to numbers, the birth date is subtracted from the current date to return the age of the person in days. To convert to years, this number is divided by 365.25. Because people often don't state their ages in decimals, the floor operator is used to round the number down to the nearest integer. This type of calculation can also be used to calculate the age of a company, tenure or the length of time at a company, or the number of years between two dates.